Okay, Ben, so I pulled out a whole bunch of instruments for you guys to look at because, like I said, some doctors like 4-inch ones, some like double action bolt cutters. And, the basic, what I tried to explain before is the leverage, the length of the handle as opposed to the blade.
Put that right on the camera, Dom, so they can see what you mean by that.
Length of handle, compares to the length of blade. So how much, force would you have with this as opposed to something like this? You have a lot more force with this because the handles are longer. Same thing applies to nail cutters.
Okay, Dom, so what can we do proactively to prevent corrosion and rust?
Well, there's a bunch of things we could do besides, just basically following manufacturers' specifications that they give you on every bottle. But I also found this stuff, which is amazing. And what this does is it's citric acid. It's a special blend of citric acid. And what this thing does is it pacifies it.
Stellar Solutions, it's called?
Stellar Solutions, passivation, and cleaning for stainless. And basically, passivation removes all the external particles on the steel that's left after we grind it or polish it or do anything to stainless. There's always something left over from underneath, and that removes it so it becomes more stainless.
The click and clack or the Bob Vila segment of the workshop.
This is it.
Yeah, this is awesome, man. You've got like, how many of these grinding wheels do you have?
8, 10, 2 big ones, and a belt grinder, and some custom stuff that I've done. People just decided to wake up one morning and said, I'm going to sharpen my scissors today. Please don't do that. It makes my life harder.
Uneven grinding of the metal.
Yeah, and
it's
even
not
guys,
going to come together.
Even tool and die guys have tried. Tool and die guys who are good at what they did, professional, could not master this industry. This industry is super, super hard, super critical. I give you it's about feel.